Hello, I'm Mark from Birmingham VW Van Centre. Here we have for you a Volkswagen Caravelle Executive. It's a short wheelbase. It comes with the impressive 199 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine with a 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox. This is a new model. It's a T6.1. To the front of the Caravelle, it comes with LED headlights with LED daytime running lights. As you can see, it's got a nice chrome grille at the top. It also comes with front assist with city emergency braking, which is a popular choice on the van range. As it's an executive, it comes with park assist, front parking sensors, front fog lights. As you can see, it comes in deep black pearl pearlescent paint, which is absolutely stunning. This Caravelle comes with 17-inch alloy wheels. It also comes with privacy glass towards the rear of the Caravelle. To the bottom of the Caravelle, it comes with chrome mouldings on both sides of the vehicle. The sliding doors are electric, so you can open and close them from the remote key. As I said earlier in the video, it comes with park assist, rear parking sensors. To the back of the Caravelle, it comes with a tailgate, heated rear screen and rear wash wipe. As you can see, the privacy glass really sets off the paintwork with the chrome mouldings. And now to the interior. As you can see, it comes with Art Velour seats. The two front seats come with armrests. This is for added comfort on long journeys. As you can see, this Caravelle comes with a leather wrapped steering wheel with a flat bottom. This is ideal for ease of getting out of the vehicle. It also comes with multifunctional switches on both sides of the steering wheel. To this side of the steering wheel, it comes with cruise control. As you can see, it has a digital cockpit with 11,115 miles. To the centre of the dash, it comes with a colour touchscreen multimedia system with satellite navigation. This multimedia system comes with wave technology. You're also able to move the maps around, make them bigger, smaller, move them around. It also comes with DAB radio stations. App Connect. App Connect allows you to use your Android or Apple smartphone through the device. It also comes with a system called MirrorLink. This is ideal for using your streaming apps, e.g. music and maps. This vehicle is also fitted with a reverse camera, a parking aid facility for your front and rear parking sensors. This Caravelle comes with a heated front screen, heated front seats which are adjustable, so you just repress them again to change the heat settings. As you can see, it comes with climatic control with air conditioning. To the rear passenger area, it comes with 5 comfortable seats. On the rear row seats, it comes with an armrest. It also comes with Isofix anchorage points on both outer seats. The rear row seats turn into a bed. It also comes with a table. The centre row seats are swivel seats, so you can turn them around. It also comes with armrests for added comfort on long journeys. As you can see, both seats come with Isofix anchorage points. Up above the second row seat, that's your heater control for the rear passengers. It also comes with some nice lighting. You can rearrange the seats in so many different variations, but for the purpose of this video, I've rearranged them so you can see the maximum space with the table out. To the rear of the Caravelle, it comes with blinds. This is a side with them down. This is a side with them up. The rear load area comes with loads of luggage space if you rearrange the seats. It also comes with a tailgate closing button, which is electric. Just a quick view from the near side sliding door. If you'd like extra load space, you can take out the seats and table. Those rails there allow the seats to slide backwards and forwards. These covers on the rails can be removed to allow you to take out the seats and the table. If you'd like any more information on this used 20 plate Caravelle Executive, please call 0121 260 3000 and a member of our sales team will be able to answer your questions on this vehicle. They'll also be able to make you a personalised detailed video on request. And thank you for watching.